Works. Of a plan or method, having of a plan or method have the desired result or effect. Number one, bring about, produce as a result. Bring about, accomplish, achieve, produce, do, perform, carry out, implement, execute, create, and engender, contrive, effect. Number two, make efforts to achieve something. Campaign, succeed, be successful, work out, turn out well, go as planned, having have the desired result, get results, be effective, take effect, be efficacious, EFFICACIOUS, be efficacious, come off, pay off, do the trick, do the business, turn the trick, turn the trick. Adjective number one. Functioning or able to function. Functioning, active, going, operational, running, operating, functional, operative, alive, live, live, L-I-V-V, live, living, serviceable, usable, firing, moving on, just moving, on, dynamic, hot, up and running, in process, in working order, on track, in force, in full swing, in gear, on fire, on the job, able to function, firing on all cylinders, in operation. Could we install a working coffee machine for a change instead of one that breaks down regularly? Adjective number two, having paid employment, employed, salaried, waged, waged, laboring, hired, in work, at work, in gainful employment, in gainful employment, in a job, professional, paid, earning, mercenary, but, career, breadwinning, signed, inked, INKED. Signed up with a job, with a career, in employment, having a job, holding down a job, earning your living. Venal, letter victory, venal. Freelance, hireling, HIRELING, hireling. The majority of the working population in the country were employed in governmental positions. Adjective number three. Sufficient to work with at the basic level. Practical, functional, applied, effective, serviceable, adequate, applicable, practicable, sufficient, useful, workable, applicative, usable, actionable, viable, good enough, ultra practical, no space, operative, fit, exploitable, employable, available, feasible, pragmatic, efficient, functioning, operational, operable. Musicians, musicians require a working knowledge of rhythm and melody. Adjective number four, being in a state of activity. Busy, active, assiduous, diligent, employed, engaged, industrious, occupied, bustling, laborious, sedulous, hopping, tied up, dash, at work, tireless, on the job, persevering, unflagging, hardworking, on the go, in harness, tied up, engrossed, conscientious, busy as a bee, indefatigable, on the hop, no space, hard at work, preoccupied, at it, at it, at no space, The project was all underway, and working staff were keen to complete it on time. Adjective number 5. Arranged or existing for the present, possibly to be changed later. Provisional, acting, caretaker, stopgap, experimental, provisory, provisionary, makeshift, tentative, preliminary, transitional, test, changeover, conditional, improvised, contingent, dependent, rough, qualified, limited, unfinished, interregnal, draft, outline, fill in, dash, add, add interim, space, make do, slash, penciled in, subject to confirmation, to be confirmed, rough and ready, oh dash. Okay. Five, five forms of works slash working. And this one, working. Mine, number one, mine. One, mine. Two, operation. Three, effective. Four, functioning. Five, employed. Number one, mine. Pit, shaft, quarry, excavations, diggings. Number two, operation. Mode of operation, manner of functioning, method, action. Effective. Number three, effective. Adequate, sufficient, practical, useful, effective. Number three, functioning. Operational, functional, usable, serviceable, in working order. That's number four, employed. Employed, laboring, in work, in a job. Five pala yun, employed. Okay, those are five. Mind, operation, effective, functioning, employed. Adjective sinus. Actively engaged. Adjective sinus. Actively engaged in paid work. Sinus, on the job. Related, employed. Adjective adequate for adequate for practical use. Related words, practical. Adaptive as a temporary basis for further work. Related words, impermanent, temporary. Adjectives. Of a of example, a machine performing or capable or of example, a machine performing or capable of perform. Sinus, operative, running, functional. Related words, functioning. Adjectives, serving to permit or facilitate further work or activity. Related words, operative. Noun, a mine or quarry that is being or has been worked. Sinus, workings, related words, excavation. Now, the way, na, working. Noun, the way in which a machine or other thing performs or functions. Sinus, behavior, functioning, operation, performance, reaction. Noun, operate, noun of course, working. Noun, operation, sinus, operation, running, action, operation, running, action, method, functioning, manner, mode of operation. Mine, noun, mine, pit, shaft, quarry, excavations, diggings. Power thesaurus: running, functioning, active, employed, operating, operative, functional, operational, engaged, at work, operation, at work, busy, action, in work, space, occupied, going, waged, serviceable, acting, function, labor, employment, performance, doing, works, on the job, space, performing, task, occupational, ed, worked, in operation, on duty, workings, duty, in useful, hired, alive, serving, in use, workable, moving, preoccupied, in a job, space, involved, viable, using, effective, practical, in working order, hard at work, in harness, space, engrossed, progress, practicing, toiling, in the field, space, engage, together, in commission, bustling, move, exercise, laborious, in business, space, diligent. Highlight preoccupied. Definition: already occupied, now rare. Mutual, engaged, occupied, busy, employed, involved. Unique, unique, inattentive, abstracted, lost, absent-minded, obsessed. Antonyms of works slash working adjectives. Opposites: inactive, idle, inoperative, unoccupied, unemployed, dysfunctional, free, knackered, on the fritz, dead, malfunctioning, kaput, 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 out of service, not working, broken, down, lazy, unproductive, off duty, unbusy, out of commission, wonky, faulty, useless, dormant, non-operating, off, OFF, at a loose end, not functioning, in disrepair, out of whack, on the blink, gone haywire, acting up, failing, inert, passive, ineffective, sluggish, latent, non-functional, permanent, inoperable, unengaged, non-working, and dash, out of order, not in working order, broken down, dash, defective, jiggered, jiggered, abandoning, flapping, floundering, fizzling, busted, bust. Sentences, power thesaurus. A perpetual holiday is a good working definition of hell. Determined people working together can do anything. Got my mojo working. Got my mojo working. I never enjoyed working in a film. I really love animals and enjoy working with them. Inside every working anarchy, there's an old boy network. Inside every working anarchy, there's an old boy network. It was like working with a little sister. The heart is the first feature of working minds. Adjectives. A working knowledge of Spanish. A working mother. The party has a working majority in the House. The ratio of working men to the ratio of working men to unemployed, the working population. Check check that the settings are imported and working correctly. That's not a adjective. It's different. Each role has different permissions for working with files. Establish working links. Establish stronger working links with the freshwater community. Flights that flights that dovetail with the working day. I get a real change out of working hard. I wasn't actually working there. I've been working towards my goal.